What is up, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. This is your boy, the Cuffin' Cowboy here, back with the Shacklemen Challenge number 5, Double Trouble. Challenge is to, while in the handcuffs, engage the double lock, pick the double lock with one implement, and pick the single lock with another. And you can't take the cuffs off until you pick both of the double locks. Now, before I get started here, you might notice that my duty cuffs are missing. That's because when I was practicing how to do this challenge, I royally screwed them up. And so they have gone to the Smith and Wesson Hospital up in Massachusetts. But I'm sure they will make a return in good health anytime soon due to the good people at Smith and Wesson. Anyway, let's go ahead and get this started. Go ahead and engage the double lock here. And as Not Too Dead said, don't need the stinking key. Damn. Alright, so to pick the double lock, I'm going to use this thin lock pick. And I think, no, not yet. There we go, number one. Nope, not yet. There we go. Alrighty, now for my second, I'm just going to use a boring old paper clip. I think you've seen this paper clip in previous videos. Guess that makes it a YouTube star. And there we go. Double trouble accomplished. Back at you. Have a good one.